With 4 bedrooms upstairs, a flexible first-floor layout, and fertile grounds, this home offers space for family, work, and play. The first-floor primary suite provides comfort and convenience, while the large living room features a brick hearth with a wood stove insert, creating a cozy centerpiece for gatherings or quiet winter evenings. Natural light streams through the windows, highlighting warm wood tones and thoughtful finishes that make the home feel inviting and lived in. The land surrounding the home is a gardener's dream. With soils classified as Prime Farmland, there's room to cultivate vegetables, plant additional perennials, or expand on the fruit trees and berry bushes already established. Rolling pastures and open space offer endless possibilities for hobby farming, outdoor recreation, or simply enjoying the tranquility of rural Maine living. An attached two-car garage provides convenience and shelter, while the formal entryway features Monson Slate and generous coat and boot storage. The full concrete basement offers excellent head height, storage, and project space, plus the laundry and newer 2022 boiler, ensuring practical functionality for everyday living. Additional amenities include fiber internet from Direct Communications, making remote work or study easy, and a covered entrance for convenient access in any weather. While the roof will need replacement in the near future, the home offers an opportunity to build equity and personalize to your tastes. Set back from the road with pastoral views, this property combines Maine charm, versatility, and abundant outdoor space, perfect for families, gardeners, or anyone seeking a home that can grow with them.